Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail.
Here we'll be looking at the loop yarn balco fabric Rattan dining chairs. In this video, I'll be sharing some helpful tips, my favorite feature, finished results, and closer details of this dining chair.
Here are quick tips.
You can actually place the existing packing foam that came with the kit, place it on the floor, fold it, and you can rest your knees on it while you do an assembly. This kit includes the bolts, washers, and an Allen wrench. Here I'm placing all the washers on all the bolts. To make things easier, screwing in the bolt, screw in using the long end of the Allen wrench first, then finish it off by tightening it with the shorter end. Now let's adjust the protective feet. And no worries, the adjustable protective feet actually snap on and off. You just twist left or right for your desired height. Next, we'll have multiple views of this product, my favorite features, the finished results, and closer details of this loop yarn balco fabric Rattan dining chair.
Now let's have a look at multiple views of this product.
It's available in different heights, colors, and quantities. It's powder-coated black iron metal, a woven contoured rattan backrest, loop yarn balco fabric sponge seat with adjustable protective feet.
Here's my favorite feature.
This loop yarn balco fabric sponge seat is very comfortable, and the backrest conforms to your lower back and is very, very comforting.
Now let's look at the results.
Be sure to check out the end of this video for close-up views and details of this product.
Let's have a closer view of this product in detail. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.